Chris from Total Parts Plus, Total 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382, and today we have a 2012 Nissan Navara D40 ST-X 550, stock reference number 3863. This shape runs from the 9th month 2005 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a V9X 3 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. V9X 3 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand front with the left hand guard. Appears to have no damage. Factory fitted snorkel with all fittings. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has an average tyre. It has a pair of clear view power door mirrors. Left hand side does have a chip in the lens of the indicator. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Factory fitted side steps supplied with all bolts and brackets, sold as a pair. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. It's got an alpha canopy supplied with all bolts and brackets. It does have roof racks. It does not have keys. Left hand tail light. It's got a chrome bumper that does have one small dent. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom. Tailgate has a couple small dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has two small dents. Right side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right hand clear view power door mirror sold as a pair. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, inner door handle in chrome, power window master switch, non-central lock type. This vehicle's fitted with dark grey cloth interior. It's got grey leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, climate control type, single stack CD player, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.